In this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom search engine in Google Chrome. All you have to do is to open up your Google Chrome browser. Now just go ahead, click on the three dots that's located at the top right. Then scroll down for you to find Settings. Then click on Settings. After that, just go ahead to the left side. Click on Search Engine. Just left click on it. And there you can change the default search engine. As you can see, just click on Change. Then choose one of these engines, whichever you like. For example, if you choose Microsoft Bing, just go ahead, click on Set as Default. But you can go ahead, click on Manage Search Engine. Then scroll down. And from there, you can click on Add to add your custom search engine in Google Chrome. Just click on it. Then tap in the name and the shortcut of the website. I will show you after a minute and the URL as well. After that, you can click on Add. Now, as you can see, the shortcuts are these right here. For any search engine, they have their shortcuts and the URLs as well. As you can see, the shortcuts for Google Chrome, for Bing, for Yahoo, and DuckDuckGo. So after you do that, you can click out. Then go ahead, change the default search engine, and here you will find the search engine you just added now. Then click on Search as Default, and the new tab will be automatically under the new search engine. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.